So hey guys, first snowfall of the year. No, yeah, that will need to shovel. So it's still snowing, guys. Yeah, we're shoveling here in our driveway. Chris is there. Yeah, look at that. Winter in Canada. So here it is, guys. So Chris is shoveling them. You have a mower, so it's good, but people that don't have a mower, it will be hard. So yeah, I'll show you guys. I will shovel first. I'll shovel. That's good. under freezing cold already, guys. So that's my shoveling for the day. They're not done yet. Okay, guys, that's the first snowfall. They're still shoveling there. I'll show you guys.
With each sip from your lips, you're kissing me dizzy. I fight for composure, but what fun would that be? The punks and the peasants who dared to impress me, singing desperate daydreams so they could undress me. They vanish completely when I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow forget me. Tonight will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart, show you all of the stars, all of the stars, because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Hollywood's buzzing, our hearts are thumping, yeah, yeah. And I know you want me, 'cause I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow forget me. Tonight will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart, show you all of the stars, all of the stars, because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Give you a million flowers, show you my secret powers, because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Tomorrow forget me, but tonight stay the night. Ooh, tomorrow forget me. Ooh, tonight will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart, show you all of the stars, because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, give you a million flowers.
Is that a video?
Yes. You want the other way?
Yes, pwede picture. Wait, this is someone to
With each sip from your lips, you're kissing me dizzy. I fight for composure, but what fun would that be?
in a trail, and this is a nice snow day yesterday.
This morning.
Still nice. You still see the snow. 2024 snow, guys, here in Ontario, Canada. So, yeah, we walk. It's nice to walking exercise, so which is really nice. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Press it to the picture. Alright, that's it.
I'm all for you. Hollywood's buzzing. Our hearts are thumping.